On today's episode, I'm repairing a Ford Mustang.
Some small damage here on the quarter panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 116 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far. So, a couple things going on today. First thing this morning, when I got to the shop, I had the Subaru Outback from yesterday's episode, 115. I did all the metal work on this one, straightened the quarter panel and the rear door. Got that finished up yesterday, and I went ahead and did the fill work on it today and got it in primer and sent that one over to the paint department so they could go ahead and get it prepped out and get it painted. It should get painted tomorrow, I believe. Then I had, what was it? I had a Ford Mustang. I went ahead and helped out with a teardown. This one just dropped off today. It had to get taken apart and then get the estimate written on it. So, smaller job. I had to pull off the rear bumper cover and the tail light and a couple small things. And I went ahead and I got with our estimator and got the estimate written up on this one. And I was able to go ahead and start on the repairs on this. So I went ahead and repaired the bumper cover and the quarter panel. All the filler work's done on this one. It's ready to prime up. I'm going to prime it up first thing in the morning. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, click that share button. Thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate all the shares and comments and likes. So thank you, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day.
All right, I'm just finishing up the plastic work on this. I went ahead and fit the bumper cover up. This is the old cover. We're getting a new one because this bottom textured area is messed up. But the top of this cover's good, so I went ahead to use that to make sure the line's right because we're still waiting on the new cover to show up. But it fits good, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this one primed up and get it over to paint. All right, on to the next one. I have a Mustang here. This one I'm gonna tear down. Just got dropped off this morning. Has some small damage here on the quarter panel and on the bumper cover, so I'm gonna pull the bumper off and the taillight out and get this one. I'll get with the estimator and get this one written up and figured out. All right, I got this one all apart. Repairing the bumper cover, getting a new bracket, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start repairing the quarter panel right now.